Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Supriya Raja, and my channel is more about parenting, but with respect to your child's reading, your child's reading comprehension, attention, etc. Well, in this video today, I'll be giving you the fun way to enhance your child's reading comprehension. One very powerful technique to enhance your child's reading comprehension. Because you see, many parents struggle with this fact that the child is reading but not able to really understand what is the content, or the child is having problem in comprehending school content. Many times that is the issue, that maybe in social science or in science itself, there's a topic and there are some very important keywords where the child finds it very difficult to understand, to memorize, and also write well in examination. Because one of the key element in reading is definitely understanding what is being read. So it could be understanding a story or understanding any school content, right? Even if it's factual content. So one very powerful way but very fun way of actually enhancing your child's reading comprehension or enabling your child to understand what that content would be is to enhance your child's background knowledge. Now you might wonder, what is background knowledge? In simple terms, background knowledge is a prior knowledge or or an information the child already has with respect to a particular topic, right? Like, for example, if the child is in grade 1 and the school has introduced solar system. Now if the child doesn't have a proper background knowledge or a prior knowledge, he or she might wonder, not really have a proper grasp of that concept of a solar system, right? But if the child has already been introduced to that topic through multiple ways at home itself, it's easier for the child to link what is being taught in school to what has been already exposed to at home by the parent. Now you might wonder how to enhance background knowledge. There are very, very simple but very powerful ways and fun ways to enhance your child's background knowledge. One way is, yes, when you're reading books, which I always advocate, it is wise to read a wide genre of books. So genre means different category, whether it is fantasy, whether it's science fiction, whether it is about environment, whether it is about history, but everything in a child-friendly way, because there are books indeed which covers various topics which are child-friendly. So you'll have to definitely look out for those books which are available according to the child's age and ability of understanding. So yes, introducing the child through different topics by reading a different genre of books to your child is one very powerful way to enhance his or her awareness and background knowledge. The second way is to discuss on different topics with your child, maybe while going for a walk or going out, because the best thing is when the child is very relaxed, having different conversations enable the child to listen to you or be receptive to what you're talking and also engage in those conversations. Yes, simply put it, you will have to condense it down, break it down to a child's level of understanding instead of using very big jargons or keywords. Just use the language very simple. But then you are already introducing different topics. Like you can be talking about photosynthesis while taking the child to the neighborhood park in a very simple way, using simple language. Like, let's see why this leaf is green, then describing that, or about talking about shadows, how shadows present itself during the day, during the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, how the shadows look. So these are all simple science content, maybe, but at the same time, explain to the child in a very fun way. So the child doesn't feel that, I'm again learning something, what's there in school at home also. But it's being taught or being discussed in a very fun way. And the third very, very powerful, but maybe everybody may not be able to do it, but definitely if you can do it, if you have the time and if you have the means to do it, is to travel. Yes, because traveling to with the different cities within your country, or even going abroad, if you're able to do it, it's a very good way to expose your child to different cultures, different cuisines, different thought process. So yes, that's another way, is a very powerful way to enhance a child's awareness, experiences, and of course, background knowledge. Find this particular video useful and helpful, one thing you can do is get into my private Facebook group, which is called the Empowered Parenting Support Group, where I'll be putting a lot of content, value for parents with respect to parenting, with respect to child's reading, comprehension, attention, compliance building, etc. And also, if you're somebody who are very much keen to get your child into the process of building reading habit, because that is the primary thing before anything else can happen. Like building a reading habit, it's so important, so primary and fundamental, wherein which learning builds on all those things, on building reading fluency, on building reading interest. So if you're interested to get your child into the pathway of being an avid reader, or rather be curious about reading, yes, I do have a masterclass on Sundays at 11:30 in the morning, Indian Standard Time, where I'll be giving you 3 secrets which will enable you to be consistent and also inspire your child to be curious about reading, to be drawn to reading, and make reading a pleasurable habit, especially in today's times of so much of you know distraction in the form of social media, in the form of TV, in the form of YouTube. How you can effectively even introduce this particular habit and also build a very important skill, which is a reading skill. So yes, I'll be giving the link in the description below. You can click and come in to my masterclass on Sunday, 11:30 Indian Standard Time. Yes, so until my next video, you have a great day. And before I leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified each time I post a video. So all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.